Welcome one and all. This is Shomodeep Pudutundo back here with what is going to happen about weather in India. Let's see. Today the main topic we will discuss about heavy rain which is bringing about flash flood over northwest India. So let's see the detailed outlook and weather highlights. What is going to be talked about weather highlights? As we can see, there is a possibility of very heavy rainfall over northwest India which is being scattered with thunderstorm in effect. While there is a possibility also of scattered rain and thunder shower in cases of Telangana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and several parts of the western part India. Whereas in scattered heavy rainfall is possible over northeastern India because of the system movement over Pacific Ocean. Let's see what is going to happen in the latest synoptic status. As we can see the latest synoptic status, the monsoon trough line being aggravated towards North India, which is bringing about a total possible rainfall over the eastern zone as well as the northern zone. High rainfall chances over Madhya Pradesh, UP as well as Bihar in the end of this week, while there is also a scattered thunderstorm possibility over northeastern India as well as in cases of the Madhya Pradesh areas. We'll see a good type of rainfall, while Telangana will get a scattered amount of rainfall as well as Andhra, with specifically very less rainfall will be seen in case of Tamil Nadu and adjoining area. Let's see what is going to happen in terms of model weather prediction. Model, as we will be seeing the MME model method of prediction, we can see North India is getting heavy rainfall in few places, specifically in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh area. The rainfall amount is increasing in next 24 to 48 hours, while also the Madhya Pradesh areas is also getting a high rainfall which is adjoining to Kota areas. Let's see what is going to happen with the station related weather updates. Delhi with maximum temperature up to 32 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius as minimum with isolated rainfall. Srinagar is going to see a temperature up to 23 as maximum and 14 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Dehradun and Shimla is going to see a close range of maximum temperature up to 27 to 26, which is relatively same, while Jaipur, Bhopal is going to see a relatively same temperature, that is 33 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius as minimum. Let's see what is going to happen in case of South India. South Indian coast, that is Kozhikode, Hubavali, Kolhar, and these all areas will be seeing a moderate rainfall effect, while this side coast will be seeing no such rainfall activities, though partly cloudy to sunny condition will be maintained in Telangana as well as in case of Tamil Nadu region. Hyderabad and Visakhapatnam will be seeing a moderate rainfall in upcoming 24 to 48 hours. Let's see what is going to happen in the station update. Hyderabad with 31 degrees Celsius as maximum and 26 degrees Celsius as minimum, while all the places such as Chennai, Bhubaneswar, Kochi, Mumbai, Bangalore, every places will be seeing a temperature range which is ranging up to 30 to 32 degrees Celsius as average, and average minimum temperature up to 25 to 26 degree, up to 27 in some places will be visible in South India. Let's see what is going to happen in northeast as well as the eastern zone. Eastern zone, the coastal areas of West Bengal will be seeing a moderate rainfall, and the upper places which is adjoining to Sikkim will see a high rainfall, and northeast all the places will be seeing a heavy rainfall in the upcoming 24 hours, but this rainfall will decrease in upcoming 48 to 72 hours, while other places such as Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and adjoining places will see a relatively light to moderate rainfall with widespread amount of coverage. What is going to happen with city? City weather forecast is Kolkata, Patna, Ranchi, Agartala, Gangtok. Every places except Gangtok will see a average maximum temperature up to 32 degrees Celsius and average minimum temperature ranging between 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, while Gangtok is going to see a 23 degrees Celsius as maximum and a very low temperature up to 14 degrees Celsius will be recorded in case of Gangtok. Let's see what is going to happen with the 3 days temperature outlook. As we can see, the temperature is going to increase in cases of few places of the southern parts in the time of afternoon, while the other places will be seeing marked average temperature. No such marked high temperature will be visible in the next 3 days, but in case of this Rajasthan and adjoining areas, 32 to 35 degrees Celsius an average will be seen in most of the places. Let's see what is going to happen with temperature, rainfall as well as temperature is concerned. Rainfall with a moderate intensity will be seen in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, Haryana and adjoining areas with Sikkim as a coverage, while all the states will be seeing average light rainfall in upcoming 24 to 48 hours. Let's see what is going to happen with special weather alert. The same thing as I said, there will be moderate to light rainfall chances over majority of the places of India. For getting more weather related updates and detailed information about the upcoming cyclone activities or the system updates, do not forget to follow us and like us in Facebook and WhatsApp as well as in YouTube. Thank you.